I live in downtown Tokyo, Japan. I live within walking distance of the busiest train station in the world, which 3 million people a day travel through. I moved here 29 years ago from British Columbia, Canada. I'm a father, I'm a husband. I work as a general contractor. I renovate offices and homes. I love my work. My passion is to go into my workshop and turn something on my lathe. Turning ordinary wood into something beautiful and practical is a lot of fun. I truly enjoy it. Life can be hectic. Life can be stressful. But when I can slow down and take the time to make something, balance returns to my life. It doesn't matter what you make, as long as you make something. Life truly is better when you make stuff.